Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, good morning, viewer. KGR. What we have here today, I've been working on this 2004. Is a Nissan Maxima. Customer complained that, and it kind of have a rough idle. You know, sometimes when it's on the traffic light, it's like the RPM going up and down. You know, so he brought it to me this morning. So I'm going to hook a scan tool on it and see exactly what is going on. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, support your boy. Like I always say, it takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. There is nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Someone help you to get it. I will say that. Support your boy. Shout out to Brooklyn. In any way, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right. This is my new baby. Just bought this. Like I always say, spend the money. So we're gonna hook this boy up right now. Turn the ignition on. I'll look for the port. Should be somewhere around here. So let's go ahead and connect this guy. Here we go. It's connected already. Let me set up myself. Oh my God. Alright, let's connect it already. I'm gonna go to OK right now. Go ahead. Like I always say, spend the money. Spend the money, baby. You will be happy. It will be the best day of your life. So let this guy be patient. And maybe I'll bring you guys back when it's completely loaded. So let me bring you guys back, okay? It's right there. It's moving fast. Communicating right now. Let's see where we go from here. Alright, apparently there is two code that is found. He is saying previous stored data to save or from the test. Blah, blah, blah. We're not erasing this. We're going to go down to press that and wait. Okay, we're going to go to reading code right there. We're going to read the code and we're going to see exactly what's going on. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have just two code P0171, P0174. So what does that mean? That means there's a kind of vacuum link in this vehicle right here. So anytime there's a vacuum link, the computer will be adding more fuel into the cylinder so it can keep this vehicle running. So in that word, we're gonna go ahead and let me crank this car up. Let me start it up and then see. Go to live data. Okay. So first, I'm gonna go to, so you guys can see the view phrase frame. I'm gonna go right here. See exactly what this guy was seeing when those code set up. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna come down here. I just want to go to the long term, short term, long term. Come back here. Okay, as you guys can see, right? You see the short term right here, right? That is 25.0. And when you look at the long term, it's set at 15.6. So in other words, you know the rules of thumbs is either 10% plus 10 or minus 10. So in other words, there is a air coming into this vehicle that keep that code to set. So I'm good. All right, sorry about that. I had a customer talking to me a while ago. So when you look at it right here, you can see the long term, right? Look at it, it's on 28. When you look at the short term, that one is okay right there. But if you come down over here, you see the long term right here is on 20 and the short term is on 25. So let me rev this engine and see if this number will go down. We're going to go on and raise the RPM. As you can see, as soon as I raise it, you can see the number started correcting himself already. You can check this one out right here. This one is going to You see, everything started correct himself already. You see the long turn right there? You see it's going minor, it's going to 7, the other one is going to 16. You see, and the other one start dropping already, right there. So that means we have a vacuum leak. That one is going minus already. I'm trying to raise the RPM to like, maybe like 4,000 RPM. You see right there? Press the brake. You see that one go on 0 right there. So apparently there's a excessive air that is coming into the engine. So let me go ahead and do a visual inspection and see where this problem could be coming from. KG. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this cover right here. Alright, we're just going to do a visual inspection. There's a little crack here. It's not that bad though. Yeah, there's a little crack here. You guys can see. And bring the camera close. Yeah, there's a little crack here, but that won't really cause any harm like that. I'm going to position my camera very well. Yeah, there's a little crack here. And there. So let me go ahead and start this car. And go from there. I have something that I sprayed over here. But I'm hearing some kind of, like there's a head. I can hear like something like blowing like a whistle. So I can hear that like, I hear something. You see the way the car shaking, like the car on the up. You can see that, right? Oh yeah, I found something. Here's our problem right here. You guys hear that? You hear that? All right, let me bring the camera closer and find something here. This should be our problem right there. See that? Right here, right here, right there. See? Yeah. Check it out. Right there. Yeah. That's our problem right there, guys. So let's go ahead and put this car. So this is where the hair was coming from. Right here. So I'm going to take off this hose. It's going through the piece, coming from the PC valve, going to the intake right here. See right there? That's where the hose going. So I'm going to take it off and we'll replace that. Alright, I couldn't show that when I was taking that thing off there because it's a little difficult to show. But if you look down here, see that hose was coming from the PCV valve right here, and it was going right here. Like I showed it earlier on. It's going right here. So I'm going to show you the hose now. I took it out already. You're going to see what it looked like and the damage that it created. And makes that sound. Had to be coming out of there. So let's examine the hose. As you can see, look at it very well. See, when you look straight down here, there's a hole inside here. See right there? So the hose was also squanched up like this, and there's a hole inside. So as you can see, I took out the hose. It was a little bit kind of a hard spot to video, so there's no way I can video that, but I took care of it already. Then I did this also just cut off that and you know, make sure that everything looks good. So crank the car and let's see where we go from there. So I just started the car. As you can see, there's a big difference. Don't hear that like a sniffing, you know. Like before, it was like sniffing. So that tells me that things is looking pretty good. I'm gonna bring you guys back and put the machine on it and make sure this is corrected. But I have a good feeling that there's a piece right there. Let's go. So as you can see, guys, I just hook up the scanner. You see everything start corrected himself already. I didn't even clear the engine code. You can just see right there. You remember this was high a while ago, the long turn and the short turn. Look at it. Everything started correcting himself already. Like I said, the rules of thumb is minus or plus. Either plus 10 or minus 10. See right there? This car is a feast right now. I just started it. As soon as it continues to idle, it's going to continue to correct himself more. And everything else will be good from there. So this car is a feast right now. So as you can see, this car is a feast right there. I just bring you guys back in and I show you what is going on. So that was a problem that was going on with the car. The vacuum leak that was going on, that was what made the car not to be running good, and the car was like, it was sniffing, like it was going to shut up. But right now, the engine is quiet and it's a feast. Question, comments, you know what to do. Please light up the video. And the only thing I'm asking, support your boy, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep on helping me to climb this mountain that I'm climbing. I will see you, Brooklyn, shout out. I will see you on my next episode. KG, we're signing off. Peace. We are gone.